stay high till I die.
Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you a cube race between my Guhong V1 and Guhong V2. There will be 3 rounds, and I will show the results afterwards. Okay, I will check in afterwards. Thanks.
When I was 21, it was a very good year. It was a very good year for city girls who lived up the stair with all that perfumed hair. And it came undone when I was 21.
Okay, so my Guhong V2 wins that round at the time of 34.81. On to round 2, I believe, where I hope my Guhong V1 will win, because that's my favorite.
Fool, which I don't hear it though. Now I'm on another level, but I ain't near it though. My soul bleeding on the track, so spiritual. It's a blessing, cause now rapping is my profession, yo. Set to detonate, I'm just waiting for my time to blow. White boy at first glance, but when I rhyme they know. Race don't mean a fucking thing the second that I flow. It's been a year and everything I said would happen has. While everybody that I know is out having a blast, I was right here in the studio busting my ass. It's been a year, I'm 21 but I feel 35. Yeah, and now I got this. I taste the blood, no one can stop this. Second I drop this, die-hard fans is finna cop this, while the rest of the world follows through fiber optics. I took my time, see I studied the game, learned how to rhyme. I was around drugs and gas but never delved in crime. Had other things in mind, so I began to grind. First tape was a success, locally I got press.
Okay, so my V2 lost that time. My V1 won by 1 second. On to round 3 now, which is the tiebreaker. They each have 1 win.
This rocket ship and sonic boom, cause I am no longer a seed, homie, it's time to bloom.
Okay guys, so before we get all the solves down, I'd like to thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing if you do. More videos to come soon. I post like at least 2 a day, so well, there you go. The Guhong V1 wins, and Guhong V1's my favorite. I'll be showing the overall results, like, you know, in 10 seconds. So, thanks.
What you doing back there? What you doing?